Atlantic salmon that come to spawn here. They come up this waterfall. It's gone a bit muddy, hasn't it?
You could have finished that off with something more appropriate.
Oh, this is horrible. Picture of me.
I'm shaking.
Oh. What's this, Baba? Come on, in. Good boy. Well, hi everybody. We're currently out at a little nature reserve and we're sat in the dipper hide, aren't we, honey? Yeah. And all Cider wants to do is get out of here. Yes, we're at a nice little nature reserve. We've got a bit of a circular walk planned and a bit of water, some streams. I don't know if there's any waterfalls here. There might be. There's a chance we might see some otters. There's all sorts here. But we'll go and have a bit of a look around and take you with us. Enjoy the show. Well, thank you for tagging along with us, guys. We do appreciate it. We're currently making our way through a few of the lower fields and keeping our eyes out for cows. We don't want to come across cows. It looks like that sort of place. So just down here in front of me there's a nice waterfall. Who knows, we might see some otters down here, you never know. I'll show you. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but the sign up there was talking about Atlantic salmon that come to spawn here. They come up this waterfall, and we can actually see a few of them trying to get up it. We have seen it before in Scotland at a place called Shin Falls, but they're doing the same here, but the GoPro probably won't pick them up. Pretty amazing. That's some journey they've had. There it is, guys. Poor little salmon. What a journey they've had. I'm pretty sure they come all the way up there just to have babies in the calmer water after the waterfall and everything. And then I'm pretty sure they die. I think. If anybody does know if that's true or not, please let us know in the comments. Well, it's gone a little bit darker now, guys. We did have a nice bit of sunlight when we got here, but not now. Oh, this is muddy. Oof. Oh, this is very muddy. Oh, I can't fit through. Well, it seemed to have lost the wife. I just had to stop to use the facilities, and she's carried on somewhere. Better go and track her down. There she is. She's in the distance. That's quite interesting. Must have been up here, I think. Looks quite deep, this bit. There's an old bridge there, guys. Huh. There was signs further up the top up there that have changed the track. I think it used to go across the top of that bridge, but because it's unsafe, they've changed the route. I like all the old red brick they've used to build the arch. You happy with the bridge? She said not 100%. I think she likes the bridge, but not very good for photos because of the light. You do like a photo, don't you?
Yeah.
Have to do, she says.
Down a bit.
Yeah. We'll carry on then, is it? Bye. It's gone a bit muddy, hasn't it? This can't... Is this all just people, do you think? Well, judging by this, I would say it's quite popular. Oh, we're still going, guys. I hope you're enjoying it so far. It's opened up a little bit now and the river's just down there, but the way we were going back was gonna be up over the hill there, but I think we're probably, looks to be a nice track that side the road over there, so I think we're probably gonna try and follow that one back. A little bit depressing though, because the road we drove in on is just there. You can actually see it behind me up there. Not so bad though, still a lovely area, isn't it, wife? Wife needs a wee, didn't you?
Shut up.
She needs a wee.
It's not the bloody river following us.
I have to try and find a toilet for her.
Hi guys.
It's a big beetle. That must have took someone some time to carve that into there.
We're back at the start, guys.
No, not at the start.
Yeah, these brought you back to the start.
No, I haven't.
You have.
We started where the car is.
It's lying.
It's not the start.
It's gone dark.
You've got sleep in your eye. In the corner of your eye. That's it.
I had rough last night.
No, the other eye.
I was dreaming. I had some weird
She was
dreams.
dreaming of Gemma Collins.
You could have finished that off with something more appropriate.
We were.
I was cleaning her car. It was a Range Rover, but looked like a
pickup version.
A pickup. I have quite a creative mind when it comes to dreaming. And there was other parts to it as well. We really went off course. Anyway, bye. Welcome to my humble abode. Come in.
Let me in.
Got a bit of work needs doing. I'm going the wrong way.
Look, bit of work on the door as well. Do you want me to shut your door, boy?
Yeah, come into my house.
We don't want to let any cold air in, do we?
Have roof and walls.
Oh, at least you got the heating on in here. This is all the wildlife that we haven't seen. It's a nice nature reserve, isn't it?
Yeah.
You put a door on the other end as well. Well, well done. I think so. Wife's got it. She's clever. I was just looking on the map and I was about to say we've got to go down to this road, the main road, turn left. So that road there behind me is what we drove onto the car park, so we basically walked back to the main road. So we've got to cross the road, this bridge, and then go left over that way. We'll see how that goes. At least we're not on the road. Look out, wagon coming. How are you finding it, honey?
Just off the road.
Ah, we made it, I think. Well, there's the river, guys. So we're now the other side of it. And try and make our way back up here to the car somewhere. Be a little bit yet, though. So stick with us. Where you going, honey?
Oh, I'm going to get wet feet.
Looks a bit overgrown here. Hopefully that way's clear. Oh. Must be getting on for perhaps 2-3 o'clock now. That's why it looks quite dark, guys. We didn't leave, well, we did leave quite early, but this particular walk is it's not in North Wales, it's more South Wales, near Rhayader. Well, it's south from us, and it's been beautiful so far. Very nice. Trains once steamed through the valley carrying freight such as farm animals and coal, as well as taking people to school, work and market. So that's what it is. We're on a railway. We thought it was, but it's always nice to have confirmation, isn't it? As we all know, it isn't true if you can't see it or it hasn't happened. Yeah.
I'm not sure what you're after like last time.
Yeah, unless you watch
I'll
like
do some advertising for it.
for Yasko, yeah.
The bridge could collapse at any time.
What bridge? It's an old sign, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's it say?
Pontmartin.
Pontmartig Bridge.
That's what I've just come across.
A470.
Visitor centre.
Oh, that's us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Probably can't read that, but we're off to the visitor centre. That's where we parked. There was like a little, was it a little shop or something there? What was it?
I don't know, I saw a picture of like a coffee symbol.
Ooh.
Like a little cafe type
Perhaps
thing.
I can get a coffee there.
It might not be open when we get back, you know.
No. Might be worth trying though, you never know. What are we going to do, wife? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Looks like we got to go into stealth mode. I was never bothered about cows, you know. Growing up in the country and around farms, never ever bothered me. And then we did one walk and a group of them went all haywire and wild and started chasing us and didn't like the dog. Nightmare it was. Since then, can't trust them now. Perhaps I just need to get back on the horse, as they say, or on the cow, whatever you want to call it. well, I think it's time to stop for a bit of lunch or tea, whatever you want to call it really. We haven't got much, but we can have a hot drink and some crisps. A chocky bar, innit, wife? Yeah. It's a nice little bench up here, so that'll do us, I think. Hopefully we won't see any cows coming for some dinner. Well, that's dinner all sorted, guys. We had a pack of crisps and a Mars bar and a nice warm drink. It has cooled off now, hence the woolly hat. It's about 3:15 now. I think the temperature on the way here was about 7 degrees, so it's probably dropped a little bit now compared to earlier. I'm not sure how far from the car, probably only 10 minutes or so now. But yeah, if you've all watched this far, thank you very much. Leave us a comment if you have, and you might get a little thumbs up from us. We don't do prizes on this channel, but you never know. Wife could perhaps come up with some gifts, couldn't you? I think we're up to 112 subscribers now, so we really are flying. And I appreciate all of you, so if any of you are watching that have subscribed, thank you very much. Wife says thank you.
On the lookout for cows.
Oh yeah, she's on the lookout for cows still. I forgot about that.
Oh no. No.
Oh,
I have seen. Are we going to go through that? Are we going further down?
I don't know. There is actually cows. Oh no. I was sort of going to say like goodbye and we'll be back at the car, but I might have to keep you involved for this. Have we got to go through there?
I don't know.
You can go first if we are. Wife's making a dash for it. What do you all do when you're out walking or out and about and you see cows? Do you just sort of man up and crack on and walk past them? I used to. I think that having the dog seems to get them all excitable, these cows. I don't know. I'll keep you informed though. Stick with us.
Berries, you muppet.
I just said to wife, look at these cherry trees. She goes, you what? The berries, you muppet. She's right. They are. We're coming to the cows now, I think, guys. Oh, dear me. We'll be fine, won't we, honey? We'll be fine. Oh, shite. Could go right past them. How many is there? Just 2?
I think so.
They're up there, guys, through the next gate. We're just gonna have to go for it, aren't we? Just have to go for it.
They're fucking huge. Stop filming me, it's not funny.
Oh, dear me. Oh, I can dry feet all day. Oh, this is horrible. Oh,
On the track.
just We'll just go in. Oh. Well, we're in the field with the cows now, guys. Wife's anxiety's through the roof, isn't it, wife? Keep this way with the dog. Cute little calf there. You're not that scared. You stopped to take a damn picture. Don't push your luck, honey. That one's coming behind you.
Shut up. My heart's racing.
Is it? You okay?
No. Why are you filming me?
We didn't get chased this time, at least.
I was trying to get a picture of the baby.
Ah.
What was on the track? We don't seem bothered by us.
Oh, thank you guys for letting us through. Oh, that's such a relief.
I'm shaking.
Are you? Oh. Oh, come on.
Oh, after that last time.
Yeah, I know, but you done it. I'm very proud of you.
Yeah, but I thought because the baby's in the middle, they're gonna...
Yeah, the one cow lower down was keeping an eye on us.
The cow lower down, but the calf as well. Somebody's near that.
Ah, we made it. Safely the other side of the gate. Well, we've sort of kind of overcome our fear of cows now. So that was good. So definitely...
Look at the footwork.
Oh yeah, it was very muddy in that field because of the cows. We're a bit...
It's just muddy everywhere before.
Yeah, that was worse though, wasn't it there?
Well, yeah, it was... They trampled.
Yeah.
And I thought to myself, if I need to run now, I ain't going to move very quick.
No.
I'll face plant the floor.
Imagine if you'd have run and fell in all the mud.
I would have cried.
Yeah, I wouldn't let you in the car, sorry.
Thanks.
No, not until you'd stripped off, innit? You couldn't get in with dirty clothes on. Seriously. Well, we are now back at the car, guys, so thank you very much for tuning in and sticking with us. I hope you've enjoyed the video. And yeah, give us a week's time and we'll probably have another one out. There's lots of different trails dotted around here, so we could come back here at some point, couldn't we?
Yeah. I didn't know I'm doing anything too strenuous today.
So thank you for watching, and we shall
Thanks, you too.
we'll see you on the next one.